Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I'm thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey. In today's video, we are going to explore our best crochet collection for babies. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. New ideas crochet baby shoes designs collection. Beautiful and different color combination crochet baby shoes designs collection. Beautiful color cute crochet shoes for babies. In this video we show you the some crochet baby shoes designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet baby shoes designs. These all collections are very useful. These collection will definitely help you to improve your personality. These crochet baby shoes design are looking stunning. These all crochet design are very beautiful. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet baby shoes designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet baby shoes designs collection. White color crochet shoes design are very beautiful. White and black crochet shoes design. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.